In this video, I'm going to take a look at creating some text on a curve. So here you can see the curve, and I just want to create some text around it. So if I click the text option and start typing, let's say my name here, what's going on? It's not going around the curve. Normally it would do that. So I'm not too sure what's happening with that. So let's go back into the tool and I'll try it without selecting the curve. You can see I don't have the option, and you may have all of these like this, let's say for instance, and you don't have the option to actually put something on a curve. So what's going on? The reason is because of constraints, because I'm constraining the text within a box. It's just that I can't see it. So if I turn on constraints, you can see that the method that I've got is limit by box. So basically what I'm doing is creating text within a box that's 2 inches by 2 inches. So if I click here and just start typing text, see how it's getting smaller because it's only doing it within a 2-inch box. And it will become gradually smaller just so it fits within that box. So that is the reason that it's not working. So if I click on the method and change it to none, then I get the on a curve appear again. So then what I can do is select the text, and then I can start creating text on a curve.